तो ये अभी शुरू हो गया।
अरे यार,
और ये जूम वूम तो आपको पता ना ऊपर से हो छोटा ही।
Well guys, thank you very much. Now I will tell you about the one thing very for everybody. Before starting our this filing content, the most important thing is that whatever you have written, you have books, whatever, you have to keep them or hand over this to any other person. Come on. Come on, one buddy stand up and get them all and keep them some way. Thank you. And stop the camera. Thank you. Stop the camera.